The chosen.
What's going on YouTube? Official Keith here, and today we're going to do a rather quick unboxing of the LG V60 going forward on this channel. This phone will be known as the V60. I'm not going to say that long title for its name. So let's go ahead and get right into it. You open the box up. I've already cut the tape, but I haven't opened the box or anything. And it's still winning. Like the box is still winning. Is the tape cut? Yeah, look at that. I cut. It's cut. Did I miss something? Man, I'm tripping. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Alright, so you get, per usual, the LG cleaning cloth. Yeah, we have to turn that ISO up some. But you get the LG cleaning cloth there. Put that right there. And then you have, oops, you have the phone itself. And I went with the blue. We'll set that right here. Then there is a T-Mobile SIM card. You have the guarantee that they give. I think this is the 2-year thing, the LG promise. And then this tells you about LG Pay. So LG has their own version of Pay. The SIM injection tool, booklets and stuff like that. And then inside the box you will get, man, that's white. Hold on. You get the charger and the USB Type-C cable. So this unboxing is nothing different than what you've seen, but I'm going to take the plastic off of this. Now y'all can laugh all you want to, but my mic situation, I talked about this in the last video, is not that great. So hopefully sometime this year I can do something about that. But for right now, I'm going to take this phone off the camera and peel the plastic off, because I know some of y'all may like it, and I have the microphone pointing towards the back of the camera instead of the front. So here we go. Oh, okay, wait a minute. This way. Yeah, no. Alright, let's try that again. Oh, it just came off, so it didn't even, boo. Okay, so anyway, this is the phone right here. Has the warning and stuff, so I'll have to take this off. But just my first impression on the weight of the phone, man, this has a nice little weight to it. And I'm pretty sure when I add the cases to this phone, it'll be a little bit more in weight. But speaking of cases, well, I wanted to show two things. First, I got these in tempered glass screen protector. One thing that you want to make sure that you look for when getting one of these is that it has the 9H rating. Apparently this is something with the strength of the glass itself or the amount of layers that are used, so you definitely want to check that out. And this is the other case. I told you I'll get a clear case, and then I get like a business professional case, and this is the one that I got. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Hold on again. Alright, so take that out. Take the little protection out. And what is this? Oh, it came with it came with a screen protector, and it looks like it's tinted. Huh. Y'all see that? I'm not gonna use this, but this is a good backup. And I'm guessing this is like, yep, this is, there you go, there's instructions right there telling you how to wipe down and put the screen protector on, but we won't be using that. But the main star is the case, and this is it. So you have the carbon fiber look. Not sure if that's real carbon fiber, I'm almost sure that it's not. But this right here, like, I wish, like, the camera's really not doing it that much justice. This has like lines. Oh, you can see that, the lines, but it looks really cool. So just throwing the phone in here, get a first look. Man, that thing is tough. So when you have to make it business. For me, this is going to be more of a business case. And then let's go ahead and put on the other case, the one we already had in the last video. Let me take this off. There we go. And again, I'll take that sticker off the back. Man, this thing is noise. But there you have it, folks. That is the quick unboxing of the V60, the LG V60 on the channel. I will have more videos coming in the days ahead of the adventures with me and this phone, so I think I'm more excited about shooting video with the phone and just testing out the different camera features. I know I was watching a video today from the Tech Preacher, and I saw where you can have just the outside edges of the phone illuminate or animate when you have a notification. So I'm extremely excited to do it to turn that on, because as he was showing in his video, you could have all the apps, which I won't do, or just some of the apps. But it's cool that the screen was still black and the only thing that lit up was the ring around the phone. So it should be a pretty good adventure. As always, thanks for taking some time out to watch my videos. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. You subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Until next time, this is Official Keith. You're now official, and we will see you later.